Welcome to Amit Thinks YouTube channel. In this video course, learn Canva and its concepts. Launched in 2013, Canva is an online design and visual communication platform to design anything and publish anywhere. Learn to edit images and add effects, elements, other images, video, audio, etc. to an already created image. Perform operations on images and easily crop, rotate, scale and flip pictures. Flipping an image gives you a mirror effect. Add text to the image, and the text templates provide you with tons of free fonts to apply directly to the text of your image. Use a similar image and change the entire color theme with the click of a button using Canva. Canva offers both free and paid plans, with the pro version providing additional features and resources. In this course, we will work on the free plan. Canva is available as a web application as well as mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. In this course, we have covered the following lessons with live running examples. Let us start with the first lesson. Guys, if you liked the video, you can directly go to our channel and support us by subscribing and joining. Click on the join button. Herein you can support us, okay, by clicking join here. In this lesson, we will learn about Canva, its introduction and features, and what purposes does it fulfill and why it is so popular. Let's see. So Canva is basically an online design platform you can consider. It is available on your web browser and in the form of mobile apps also. It is basically a platform for graphic designers. You can easily create graphics, design anything and publish anywhere. You can also collaborate with others. The sharing feature is also amazing. It is basically used to quickly edit and transform images. Okay, it is an image editor. So if you are not so professional in graphics and you don't want to go towards the Adobe Photoshop versions, you can begin with Canva and easily work around your purpose of creating banners, logos, different thumbnails, social media banners and others. Easily apply adjustment. You can also choose from a lot of adjustments on Canva. Crop your image, rotate your image, add a mirror effect to it easily. Easily touch up your photos or work around some image adjustments such as sharpening the image, adding saturation. Okay, the sharing feature with others, with your team members, is also a very good feature on Canva. After creating the image, you can download it in multiple formats like JPEG, even PDF, PNG and others. So Canva comes in two versions, the free plan as well as the paid plan. Pro version, that is the paid plan, provides additional features and resources. But guys, in this course, we will only work on the free plan. Even the free plan to begin with is having amazing features. It will easily fulfill your purpose. As I said before, Canva is available as a web application. That means on the web browser. You can go to its website and log in and work around. We will show all these things later. In a similar way, you can also download its mobile apps available for your iOS, that is Apple devices, as well as your Android devices. Now let us see the features. So using Canva, you can easily create collages, posters and banners within 5 minutes. I'll show you all the examples later. If you are worried about even infographics, you will be getting predefined templates. You just need to go there, click on it and edit it accordingly. With that, you can also add multiple images in it. If you want to add your image, let's say for a webinar banner, you can easily add your image, edit the text and work around. If you want birthday invitations template, it is easily available. If you want to create a banner for, let's say, any festival or event like your Halloween, Diwali, Easter, then you can easily work around Canva. It is already having some great templates. With that, you can also work around with Canva as a team. Okay, add your team members, collaborate with them in real time, share with them. So you don't need to get the backup using your external devices like pen drive. You can directly share it on your email. As I told before, it is having a lot of templates for social media, banners, flyers, business card also. I created my business card using Canva only. You can also add borders and text to an image. Any text, heading 1, heading 2, or a basic paragraph text you can easily add to any image. With that, you can also rotate, scale and crop images on the click of a button. It is now having some AI features also. I'll also discuss them. Okay. You can also flip the image. So guys, we saw what is Canva, why it is so popular, what are the features, how it can reduce your work. I only work on Canva for graphic designing and I am able to create any possible image for beginner, okay, using Canva. Whether it's flyer, YouTube thumbnail or course thumbnails, anything. Okay, I'll show everything in the upcoming lessons. Thank you for watching the video.
In this lesson, we will learn how we can sign up and log in Canva for the first time. For that, go to the web browser. I am using Chrome. You can use any web browser. On Google, type Canva and press enter. Now the official website is visible, canva.com. Click on it. Now herein you need to log in or sign up. So we are using for the first time. So we'll click on sign up. Herein you can directly use your Gmail ID, your Facebook ID or your email ID. With that you can directly use your work email. So I'll show a basic Gmail account. So I'll just click on continue with Google. Now you need to select your Google ID, which one you want to use. I'll click here. You can use any Gmail ID. Allow, give access, continue. Click continue. You can skip this. You can also skip this. Skip because we are using the free version only. We don't want to pay anything. So we have logged in for the first time. Okay. Now herein you can see your account. Here it is. Here is your email ID. Okay. So guys, in this way we can sign up to our Canva account for free. So we are using the free version only. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will learn how we can create our first image on Canva. So we will also see that how we can add a custom size to our image. That is our newly created image. Let's start. So guys, we successfully signed up Canva. After that the following would be visible. Okay, herein just click on create a design. I'll click. Herein you can select anything, but I'll start with the custom size, let's say. Here it is. Okay, because this is our first design. So herein you can add the width and height. Let's say I'll mention 1280 by 720. Okay. Units you can select. I'll select pixel only. You can select any unit. I'll click create new design. So here is our first design. Okay. Here it is guiding us to start with a template. I'll just close this. Now you can keep the mouse cursor here and check the image. Now here in what I'll do, I'll just click here and I'll click on the left upload tab. Okay, here it is. Now I'll upload an image here. Click upload file. Now select any image. So it is uploading here, you can see. I clicked here and it will come here. You can easily drag it now. Okay, using this, and the width and height is visible here, you can see. So this is what I'm showing. Okay. So guys, we saw how we can create a new image and we also uploaded our own image on that image. Okay. When you'll drag it, you can see if you want to place it in the center, it will show the lines like this. That means our image is in the center only. So guys, we saw how we can create a custom image, an image of custom size, and we also uploaded our image in it. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can set a title to our image, as well as we will also see how to add it to a folder. Okay, with that we will also see how we can later on download the same image. Let's see. So guys, this was our image. We added our own image in it. Okay, firstly you can add a title here. I'll mention Amit's first image. Okay, so this is our title now. If you want to add multiple images in it, you can directly click add page. Okay, I'll do it and it will add the same image. You can delete it from here. If you want the same thing, you can just click the duplicate page here and the same image is here. Okay. Now I'll mention it, let's say Amit 1, and here I'll mention Amit 2. Let's say you have multiple images now. Okay. If you want the second one to be on the top, you'll just need to click here. What I'll do, I'll just change the size to let it be visible. I'll click here and move up. Now we have our second image on the top. Okay. I'll do the same and now the same image is in the bottom. Okay. So we also added the specific page name. Now when you'll click share, the download button will be visible. Here it is download. When I'll download it, you can see you can select the file type first. Okay, I'll select PNG. You can reduce the size also, compress it. And herein when you'll click on download, it will download both the pages. Let's say you only want the first page. So you just need to click here and herein uncheck this and only select the following and click done. Now only the first page will download, the following first image, and when it will download it will have the following name Amit 1. That's why the image title is really important. I'll click download. Now it downloaded and herein you can see Amit 1. I told you the page name Amit 1 will be visible. I'll right click and click open. And here is our image. You can see the size is 1280 by 720. I told you. Okay. This is how we can add a page name to our images. Okay. With that guys, when you'll go to the home page, click here and click home. Now you are at the home page again, canva.com, and your recent design is visible here. Okay. I'll refresh. Here it is, Amit's first image. The image name is visible and we were having two images. Okay. Now let's say you want to add a folder here. Obviously you will be adding different projects. Let's say for holiday images, for social media images also. So what I'll do, click projects. We have 0 projects right now, only the following. So I can right click here and click folder, or I can click add new folder. Now add the name Amit project 1. Okay. You can share with your team later. Click continue. Now we have our folder here. Here it is folders. It's visible here and here folders. Okay, Amit project. Now click all. Select this and move it to the folder. Here it is the move sign. Move to a folder. Amit project 1. Move. Okay guys, this is what I wanted to show. You should work in a similar way. Folders, and here is your file, Amit project folder. Here it is and here is your first file. I'll click and here it is. Okay, those two images. Okay guys, so guys, we saw how we can add an image title, how we can download an image, how we can add our image to a folder properly so that we can set a hierarchy under our Canva free account. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will learn how we can zoom in and zoom out from our image editor. Okay, with that we will also see the keyboard shortcuts. So here was our image. Okay, the following two images. Let's say you need to first zoom in and zoom out the page, so go below here and click. Okay, through this you can zoom in and through this you can zoom out. With that
You can also use the keyboard keys. Click here and press Ctrl, then the is equal to, and it will zoom in. Okay. Now for zoom out, press Ctrl minus and it will zoom out. Okay. I'm just zooming in again using Ctrl plus. Okay, here it is. We are back. Okay, I'll just change it here using this. You can use anything you want. And with that, guys, you can see the layout also. It's a thumbnail view. Let's say you have more than 20 images. So there will be a difficulty in scrolling it, right? So for that, you can click here thumbnail view, and here it is. You can select the images quickly. And the following grid view is too amazing. I have some images in my different account, more than 30 thumbnail images for a course, let's say. So I can easily use it. This is the new feature. This wasn't available before. And I'll just close the grid view. If you want to completely see it under your full screen, press Ctrl Alt and P or click here. Here it is. Okay. And you can easily switch to the second image, first image, second image. Okay. Now I'll click here, exit full screen. I could have also used the escape button. Okay. So I'm back here. I'll just click here to scroll view. To reach the scroll view. Here it is. So guys, we saw how we can zoom in and zoom out from the image. We also understood the layout, how to switch from thumbnail view to grid view, from grid view to thumbnail view. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can crop an image on Canva. Okay. We will see the direct key also, or we will also see how we can use the AI to search for any feature. Okay, let's see. Here was our image. Okay, let's say I want to crop this. So just keep the mouse cursor here. Click on it. That's it. And the crop is visible. Click on crop. Now we have the crop feature. You can manually do it. Okay, I'll do it like this. Okay, I'll do it like this. Using the mouse, I am just cropping the image. You can see. And I'll click here and it will crop. Or you can again click here and click crop to get different sizes. Okay, directly. You can see you can crop it according to the aspect ratio. 9:16 would be for shots, let's say, in a similar way. Okay. And let's say you are unable to get this. Previously this wasn't visible, so you can also directly click here and here in type crop. This is the AI button, quick actions, crop, and click here. And it will provide you with the same feature. Okay. So guys, we saw how we can easily crop an image with Canva. We saw two methods. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can easily align an image with Canva. So we will see a feature through which you can easily align your image on the left, right, top, bottom, or middle. Let's see. So guys, this was our image. Okay. This was our page, we can say, and this is our image in it. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just click on it. Now to align it, okay, you can click the three dots and you have the option to align to page. You can click left for the left one. Then you can click on right for the right. Let's say I'll go for the middle, three dots, align to page and middle. Now it is aligned in the middle, but on the right. So I'll just click on three dots again, align to page and center. Now you have your image in the center. If you'll try to move it, when all the four lines are visible like a rectangle, that means your image is in the center. Okay. So guys, in this way we can easily align our image. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can easily rotate our image with Canva. Okay. Let's see. So guys, here was our image. Now I'll click on it and you get an option here. First to rotate. I'll just rotate it, and the degrees are also visible. This is the 90% rotation. This is your 180% rotation, obviously. And in this way you are back with your image. Okay, 0% is visible. That means you are back. Also you can click here. When you'll click here, crop. Okay, rotate is visible. It is 0 right now. I'll just go to minus and you can see, or I can change it to plus. Now here it is 87.7. You can type 90 and press enter. Now this is 90% rotated. You can now click done to implement. Here it is 90%. You can again click here, click on the crop, go below for the rotation, and you can drag it or directly go to 0 and click done for the exact image. Done, and the image is back. Here you can see it is 0 now. That means the exact image. Just drag it to rotate. So guys, we saw how we can easily rotate an image with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how we can scale an image on Canva. So on the same page, we will try to increase or decrease the size of the image, that is scale it. So here was our image. Okay, click on it and you can see the arrow keys. Just drag it and the width and height is also visible. Like you want to place it here, you can easily place it, or let's say in the center, in the bottom, like a YouTube thumbnail placement, and you can easily do it. The best part is the width and height is also visible. Okay, so that is something which is great. So guys, for scaling you can use this. Okay, so guys, we saw how we can easily scale up or scale down our image with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can easily flip our image with Canva. So flipping our image means mirroring an image, that means vertical or horizontally. Let's see. Okay, so here was our image. Okay, now first I'll click here and click crop to uncrop it. Okay, I'll just click here and it will uncrop. Now I have my exact image. Okay, I'll click here again and I'll just, this is fine. Now guys, what we want to do, we want to flip our image. Click on the image and click flip. It will ask you to flip horizontally or vertically. First I'll do horizontal. Herein you can see this is the mirror image horizontally. Now I'll go for flip, I'll click here and I'll just click flip vertical. Here it is. Okay, so this is the mirror image of our image. I'll go back and click on flip vertical. Okay, I'll just use Ctrl Z for undoing everything to get my image back. So this is how you can do it. So I have my image back. So we saw guys how we can easily click here and click on flip to flip our image to get the mirror image. Sometimes you may need such a feature to mirror your image, to flip your image with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can easily add text to our image with Canva. Okay, so here is our image. Now let's say I want to add text to this image. Let's say I'll be adding webinar text. So what I'll do, I'll just drag it here. Okay, this looks fine now. Now I'll just click here text and you can see the text box is visible. You can directly add a heading here. Let's say I'll first go for the heading and I'll just type. I'll just double click and type webinar and I'll just drag it here. I'll just increase the font like this easily. Now the second subheading, I'll mention the name of the webinar. Generative AI for beginners, let's say. Look, it is automatically dragging. I'll just use this and my mouse to just drag it. This is the topic. Okay. If you want to increase the size, you can click here and select, let's say 30. I'll go for, let's say 36 now. It's fine. I'll just drag it again. This looks fine. I'll drag it here more. Webinar. Okay, let's say I'm creating a live image for my YouTube channel. Let's say I'm creating an image for my YouTube video which will be live. I can also add some more things here. I clicked here little body text. Okay, learn the basics of generative AI, LLMs, meta AI, okay, LLMs, etc. That's it. I guess basic title is fine. Basic introduction. This looks fine. And I have dragged it here. Okay, you can also use the mouse keys and this looks fine. So I was just showing that how you can add text. So guys, we saw how we can easily add text to our image. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can use the magic write feature and add text to our images. Okay, we can directly get the text from AI and use it. Okay, let's see how. So this was your image. We added a heading, heading 2, subheading and a text. Now let's say you want some points for your generative AI. You need to mention here. So click magic write. Here it is. Okay, I'll just, this looks fine now. Give me 3 points in 50 words on generative AI concepts. Okay. Okay, you have 50 credits in total. That means 50 prompts. You have 50 credits in total. After that, you need to pay. I am using the free version only. Click generate. Okay, in 50 words only, we can mention that we will show the students how Gen AI used in all these things, creating art, music, text and everything. Okay, we can also use some neural network techniques and add all these things. Okay, that's it. We used the magic write feature. Click here and we can use it here. I'll just now what I'll do, I'll just right click and paste. I just copied, right? Allow. So you can see the font. I'll click here. I'll click here and I'll just set the font here. Let's say 12 and here is a text. I'll just match the 20. Font is 20. I'll just select 20 and press enter. Here it is. I'll remove the bold from here. Alignment left. Okay. Dragged it and it looks perfect now. I'll just change it. We will create art, music, text and even simulate human conversations with chatbots. Okay, this looks fine now. Okay, I've just used the arrow key to just move it here like this and the right arrow key for this. So this looks perfect now. Okay, so guys, we saw how we can use the magic write feature, the AI feature on Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can use the text templates for our images with Canva. We created a basic webinar like thumbnail. Now we will use the text template. Already created templates for free. So here is our image. Okay, we added the heading, subheading and text. Go here under the text, go below and you can see font combinations are visible. Okay, go below and you can see some amazing fonts are visible. What I'll do, I'll just click on free and here it is. We can use this or we can right click and or we can click here and click delete. I'll delete this also. Delete. I'll just go for something which looks good. Okay, so these are the free ones you can see, but wherein the pro is visible, that means you need to pay to Canva. So I won't use them. I'll only use the free one. Let's say I'll just click this week. Okay, this week, and you can add the time also. You can search the fonts and combinations. I'll just type join now.
press enter. Let's say will it be visible or not. Okay, join now. I'll just click here, join now. Okay, let's say there was a link here for registration, so I can use it. Right guys, join now. Okay, you can also write enroll now. Okay, so we have typed join now. So in this way you can see it looks fine. This week join now. So guys, we saw how we can use the font combinations. You can also say the text templates in Canva, and we created this just to explain you. You can also drag it like this here. Okay, thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can easily add elements to an image with Canva. Let's say we will add the calendar element to our image. So here was our image, as you can see, for a webinar. Okay, let's say I want to add the calendar sign for the time. So what you need to do, go to the left and click elements. Okay, here and just search the elements. Let's say I want calendar, so I'll just type calendar and press enter. Here and you can see different graphics are visible. The logo is for the pro version, which we are not paying, so we won't be able to use it, but free ones are also amazing. Go below, or you can click here, see all graphics. You can see the free ones are also visible. We can click here, or we can go below like this and select any one of them. Let's say I'll click the following. Okay, or I'll go below and check more. The time is also visible. Let's say I'll click here. I clicked. Now I just need to mention the time. So what I'll do, I'll just set it here. Okay, take this below, join now, this week, and the time I'll mention here. Let's say, okay, I can mention a time below now. For that, I can just go to the text and click on here. Timing, I'll mention, let's say, November 5th, okay, 5 to 6 p.m. I'll just select it and place here, or I can just mention 5 p.m. Okay, November 5th, correct, 5 p.m. Okay, or I can also reduce the size of this and keep it here, this week, and I can just place it here. This looks more good. I'll left align it, click here and left align. Okay, so I'm just showing how you can add calendar element similar with different elements on your page. So guys, we saw how we can easily add an element, and we can directly go to elements and search any element and place it here. So we place the calendar for the exact, let's say, date and time of our webinar on our thumbnail. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can add an icon to our image with Canva. So we can use the free predefined icons provided by Canva on our images. So here it is. So this was our thumbnail for our webinar. Okay. Now we were using the elements. So you can again click elements here. You can just click the cross from here. I again click the elements. Now I told you I want icon. I want an icon. I'll click here, click elements again, type icon and press enter. Now let's say which all icons are automatically visible. Okay, different icons are visible. Check arrow, graphics, photos, frames, and again the pro watermark means we need to pay, so I won't use it. I'll just directly search for an icon. Let's say webinar icon. Okay, I typed webinar icon. Here it is. And herein you can also use, let's say, the laptop icon. We can use this or this. Okay, this will look good. We can just place it here just for the sake of showing. Okay, webinar. Okay, you can select any option. Okay, that's it.
With that, you can just type icon here after what you want and it will show you. Okay. So guys, we saw how we can easily add an icon to our image with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to easily add a shape to our image with Canva. Okay. So this was your image. We were creating a thumbnail image for a free webinar, let's say. So again, you can go to left and click elements. I'll clear it. Okay, now click element again, and here you can see shapes are easily available. Type shape and press enter and different shapes are visible. You can use any of them. Obviously the pro one is the paid one, so I won't go for it. I'll go for the free ones. Okay, I'll click see all under shapes and you can see different shapes are visible. Okay, so let's say I'll go for the following bubble. I'll just use it. Okay, and let's say I just want to add a text here. If you remember to add a text, go to text and click, let's say, little bit of body text. I'll just type, wanna learn AI for free. Okay, now I'll just drag the image and I'll just line it, press enter, and here it is. Okay, so I added this bubble image using the element. Here it is. You can use any. Okay, so guys, I'll just drag it in the center. This looks fine. Little bit more. So guys, we saw how we can add a shape to our image with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how we can set the image brightness on Canva. Okay, it's very easy. Let's see. So we were creating this thumbnail. Okay. For the brightness, let's say I want to increase the brightness of this image. I'll click on it. Okay. Okay. Let us click on it again. Now click edit. And after clicking edit, you can see click adjust. And you can see the option is visible. You can select the area also from here. I'll just go to bright and it's 0. I'll just, let's say you want more bright, you can set. It's 36 now, it's quite bright. Or if you want to decrease the brightness, you can click here. Or you can directly mention here. If you want to come back, press 0 and press enter and you are back here. So this is how you can change the brightness of your image. Okay. You just need to click on edit. So guys, we saw how we can easily change the brightness of our image on Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will learn how to change the contrast of our image on Canva. Okay, let's see. So to change the contrast, let's say I want to change the contrast of this image. So I'll click here. I'll click edit. Now guys, click adjust and here it is. Under the light section, we have the contrast. Increase it using this, or you want to decrease it, you can use this. Okay, you can easily use the slider. If you want to go back, just press 0 and press enter. So you are back again. So guys, in this way you can easily change the contrast of your image on Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can set the image effects on Canva. And we will also see what does it mean. It means to set different tones of an image. Okay, let's see. So to set the image effects, we were having the following image. Let's say we want to set the image effect of the following image, my image. Click on it, click edit. Here and you can directly click effects here. Okay. Here are the effects. Let's say you want the duotone effects. And here and you can see you can select the following and change it, or you can also change the intensity now, cherry, okay, and different tone, or I'll click here again duotone and
Here it is. And here it is, you can directly get it from here. Let's say the following you can use, okay, easily. Edit, okay. I just went to edit and click on effects here. Here it is. It was the duotone. I'll go here again and you can see different options are visible. Face retouch, I'll click. And let's see what will happen. Smooth skin, you can change it easily. You don't need a paid tool for this. I'll just keep it back to 25 and press enter. You can also add it here. Go back. Guys, you can see we can add different effects to our image. We can also set the blur here and we can also set the shadows. So guys, if you want to return back, type Ctrl Z. I'll type it again. Okay. And I'm back here. Okay. So guys, in this way we can easily set image effects with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can add different filters to our image with Canva. Okay, it's very easy. We can easily set some filters like warm, cool, vivid, soft, vintage, mono, color pop and many others. Okay, and others with Canva. So let's see. Okay, so the following was our image or complete thumbnail. Let's say you want to set the filters for your image. So click on the image. Now after clicking, click edit. Now herein you can see filters option is visible. Click see all and you can see all the options are visible. Natural, warm, cool, vivid. You can also find this option in your iPhone. Okay, vivid, soft, vintage, all these options are visible. I'll click on them. Let's say I'll click something which I like. I think vivid chroma and you can see it changed completely. You don't need a tool for it. You can also set the intensity like this and check. Soft, I clicked here aura and let's say I went for the vintage stuff. Okay, looking amazing. Vinto, dream, mono. Okay, color pop, you can add different color. Okay, let's say like this. Okay, and if you don't want it, click none. You are back. Okay, so guys, in this way you can just click here, click edit and add different great filters on your image with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can easily set color theme styles for our image on Canva. We can add different color themes. Let's see how. So here was our thumbnail image. Okay, let's say we want to set different color styles for our image. Color styles means, color themes means it will change the background color accordingly with your text color also, so that it will align completely. I'll click on it. After that you need to click on design here. Let's say I'll click here again. Select this and click design. That's it. Go to styles and below you can see different combinations are visible. Combinations, color palettes, font sets and everything else. Okay. I'll just click, let's say, the first one and you can see it completely changed. I'll click on the first one and similarly the last one. Let's say you can use any of them. Go for the combinations below. Let's say I click the following and it completely changed. Here I'll click on see all and let's say I'll click here. I'll click here again and it changed completely. It took some time. I'll click here and it changed again. Similarly you can use different and I'll go back. Color palettes, I'll click here. Let's say what will happen. You can see it changed the entire theme accordingly. I'll go for the lighter one. Let's say the following. This one, okay. You can use any of them. You can also resize them later like this because it changed the font also accordingly somehow. And you can also use the font sets. Okay. Image palettes you can also use like this. It will completely remove the background from my image. You can also use the image palettes like this. Okay. So guys, I'll click here again. Combinations, any of them, see all. Let's say I clicked here and it changed completely. So whichever you like, you can select. If you want to go back, press Ctrl Z. I'll go back again. Okay, I'm typing Control Z here. So you can see I've shown a lot of them here. This is our image. Okay, so guys, we saw how we can set different color themes, or you can say styles, for our image with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can change the color background on our image. That means we will change the background color. So right now guys, we have the following. We have a basic white background. How to change it? Just click the image and click here. You can see background color is visible. Click on it. Now you can set any background color here. Let's say I'll click here, or click here. Revert back using Ctrl Z, and we are back. So the best part about this is it will take the colors from the photo also and other images. Okay, so here you can see my photo color was this. Let's say I was having multiple images, so it will take those colors also easily. Okay, and you can see default color, solid colors are visible. I'll click here. I mostly like the gradients one, so I'll click here, and this looks fine, or the following. You can use any of them. I like this one also, gradients. Okay, you can see gradients. This is fine, this is fine. So you can use any of them for your exact image. Okay, I'll revert back again using Ctrl Z. Okay, so guys, we saw how we can easily change the background color. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can change the text color of an image with Canva. So let's say we have the following image, and herein we have the text color in black. When you'll click, you can change the text color by clicking here easily. Okay, now I'll first change the background. I have shown in the previous video only. Click here, background color. Let's say my background color is the following. Okay, this looks amazing. Now I need to change the font also. It's not visible, so I'll click here, text color, and I'll just set it to white. This looks fine. Okay, also change the color of the following icon. Click here and set it white. Okay, looks fine. You can also multiple select using shift. Just press the shift key and click on the text you want to change. So I am having multiple text, 4 of them. I selected it and just go to text color and select white. You can see we changed it in a go. Okay, completely. Okay, so guys, we saw how we can easily change the text color. Okay, you can select the document colors, photo colors, and different other solid colors. If you have your own color, also if you have the hexadecimal, you can type here. I'll just type yellow, let's say, and press enter, and you can see yellow is visible. When you click on it, you have the yellow text. Okay, I'll keep it as it is now. So guys, we saw how we can change the text color of the text on our image. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can draw on our image with Canva. Okay, so we can use the pen, marker, and other elements to draw on our image. We can also change the color as well as the width of the drawing. Let's see how. So this was our image. Okay, let's say you want to draw something. Click on the image. On the left, click draw. Now you have different options. The first is the pen, then you have the marker, then you have the highlighter, the bold yellowish color. Okay, eraser also. Then you can change the color also, and you can also click the setting to set the weight and transparency also. Now let's say I'll just click here to highlight something. Settings, weight, I'll set 50, 31, let's say. Now let's say I want to highlight this. I can easily do it now. Now we have highlighted it. I'll press Ctrl Z. Okay, and let's say you want to use the pen. So the pen is here. You can set the weight of the pen also. Let's say I'll go for 11. Okay, you can also set the transparency, and then let's say I just need to just drag it just
do it manually here. Okay, and let's say you want to use it again, you can also, let's say, set it like this. Let's say want to highlight it like this, you can do it and you can easily draw it. Okay, and you can also change the color from here, and I told you weight and transparency. So this is how we can use, we can draw anything on our image using the Canva draw feature. If you want to revert back, obviously it's not looking good, I don't know how to draw. Some people know, some kids really know how to easily draw in an image. Okay, so I'll just revert it back by pressing Ctrl Z. Here it is. Okay, so guys, you can just click on close to change the cursor. I'll click close and my cursor is back. So guys, we saw how we can draw on an image. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can add an image to our already created image with Canva. We already created this complete image and added our image. Now let's say you want to add more images. So what you can do, click on the image, click on upload. Okay, click upload files. Now let's say we can easily add arrows using the shapes element. I've shown it before, but let's say I want to use my image. I'll click here and all my images will be visible under uploads. Okay, now we have two images. If you want to delete an image, let's say I want to delete it, click here and click delete. That's it. Or you can also move it to a folder. I just want to use it, so I'll just click here and I have successfully added my image. Okay, I can just add it here just for the sake of showing Vanalan AI for free, and I can just click here and use all other features which we have shown in the previous videos. Okay, so in this way we can easily add any external image. Okay, so here were your files, two images. Okay, you can search your images also here. If you have multiple images, let's say, so you can easily type here and search the image, your own image. So guys, through this we can easily add images. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can easily add a video to our image, so that let's say you want the MP4 of your image to upload it on your WhatsApp and show it to people, or you want to download it as an MP4, you can easily do it. Okay, let's see how. So the following was our image, and let's say you want to upload this image to a WhatsApp for promotion and you want to also add a video, small video to it. For that you can go to upload files here, click upload files. Let's say I have this following video, I'll click here. It is also having audio, so it is uploading here. You can see when the upload is complete, you can click here. Okay, you can also delete it from here by clicking here and click delete. Okay, click the three dots and you can do some more changes. You can move this to another folder. You can also download it and also add tags to it. I'll just click here and it will come here. Okay, you can pause it from here. You can place it anywhere. Okay, here you can see, you can place it here also, let's say, or you can just take everything above and you can place it here, let's say here in okay, let's say I placed it here and the images are above, so you can right click on the join now and select layer, send backward. Okay, now it's hidden. Now we have moved it. Now you can do for this week also. Send backward, and now I'll just select, and I'm just showing an example how you can place your video. Okay, you can see, you can easily now download it, share, and you can see download, and MP4 option is by default visible because you have added a video, else it would have shown JPEG, PNG and PDF. Okay, in this way you can also add a video to your image. You can also now promote this on your WhatsApp status. You can create a video that I am conducting a free webinar on generative AI, and you can place the video here just beside this. You can keep the size smaller here. Now this looks fine. Okay, so in this way guys, we can easily add a video to an image with Canva. Thank you for watching the video.
In this lesson, we will see how we can share our image after creating it on Canva. Sharing also includes creating a public view link or even downloading in different formats. Let's see. So this was our image. Let's say we completed it and we want to download the first one only. So I'll just click on share. After clicking share, you can directly share this sign and add people to it by adding their email IDs directly. Okay, or you can also add a collaboration link. You can directly get a link, share the link, and people can easily access your link. Herein you can click to get the public view link. I'll click on it. Okay, create a public view link. Create it, copy. Okay, now what I'll do, let's say I'll just paste and press enter. Herein you can see my image link, the first one and the second one is visible. I can share this with anyone. I'll close it. Now what you can do, go back. Herein you can directly share it to WhatsApp. You can copy to clipboard. You can download it. Click download and you can download in various formats: PNG, JPEG, PDF. Okay. In one of our videos, we added a video here. So it was directly showing MP4. Okay, but this is right now an image. So it will suggest you the PNG image. Okay. You can click here. You can also download the PDF. I'll just click PNG only, and you can also limit the file size, compress the file, and you can select the number of images. So right now we have two. I want the first one only. I can directly type one here or only select this. I'll just select and type one. Done. Now only the current page will download. You can also save these settings, but all these are available for the pro version. Okay, and also this. So currently you can only select the pages and the file type for the free version. Click download. It will download now. Okay, here it is. I'll right click and click open. It will open in any default. Okay, so here is your image. Okay, it's a PNG image. Close. Click share again. I'll click download and let's say I want the JPEG file of it or a PDF file. I can select here easily. Go back. Here in different options are visible. I'll click see all. And here you can see you can save, directly download it to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, PowerPoint, Box. Okay, you can also use the embed link. You can directly send to phone, click on it. Okay, so you can use various such features to share your image. You can also add email IDs here to share. Let's say I'm adding an email ID. You can directly add the message here. I have shared an image with you. Kindly check. Okay, you can also create your team here. So in this way, guys, you can easily share your image. With Canva, you can easily download it in various formats. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how to create a flyer with Canva. So flyer can be used to promote an event or promote a festival gathering also. Okay, let's see. So this is our Canva. We just created this and now we need to create a flyer. Click here. After that, click Canva to reach the home page. So what I'll do, I'll click projects. Okay, I'll click add new folder. Okay, Amit examples and click continue. So we have our folder here. Okay, here it is. Amit examples. So within this we'll be creating designs. Okay, add designs. Okay, you can click create design directly or here also create design. Okay, I'll search flyer. Okay, or I can go to the home page. Click templates. You can try to find flyers here or directly type flyer and press enter. Okay, here are the templates. You can create a blank flyer from here. You can also select the category here, or you can also select media, let's say what you previously uploaded. You can use that also, or let's say I'll click here. Okay, now you can use this template or you can use all these templates. These are free ones. Okay, let's say Diwali party. Okay, this is a video you can see. I'll click here, customize this template. Okay, now we will edit this flyer easily. This is for Holi, an Indian festival. Okay, I'll zoom in. Okay, I'll change it to Holi bash to Holi party, simple. Okay, to Holi party. I'll just drag it using the things we already learned in the previous lessons for a Holi party. Okay, date. Okay, I'll change the date 14 March. Okay, Friday 10 a.m. onwards, it's fine. Okay, 1/8 Punjabi Bagh, Delhi. Okay, you can also change it. Let's say I'll mention example.com for our example, just for our example, and I can check this here. Okay, now you can also add some more things. I'll go to elements. Okay, I'll type balloons. Okay, here it is. Let us check the free one, free graphics. Here it is. I'll just drag it. And here it is. I can place it here. It's about colors. Okay. Water balloons. I can use this also. Okay, in a similar way, you can also edit it. If you want to change the template, click here. Click background color and you'll be able to change the template completely by changing the background color. Okay, it also took the colors from here. Let's say I did this. Okay, or the gradient ones, colorful ones. We can change it. This looks fine. Okay, now I'll again click here and you can add any color here. I've shown all this before. Okay, so we have edited our flyer. We can also do some more changes. Okay, go to designs and change the style here like this. I'll just click here and it will change the complete style. Okay, you can see here. Okay, this is fine. Again, I am changing it completely and here again. Okay, so and this looks fine. Okay, now I'll just download it. Share, download. Okay, and only one image is there, so it will download in PNG. Fine, click download. In whichever format you can download, here it is. I'll click and here is our image, flyer image. Okay, you can check it on any image editor. I am just using Paint. Okay, here it is. You can see. In this way, guys, we can easily create a flyer using Canva. I'll name it Holi Festival. Okay, flyer. That's it. Now when I'll go to the home page, click here, home. Now here is a design. I'll just select this and move it to my folder, Amit examples. Okay, move to folder. Now our design will be under our folders. Go to project, go below folders, Amit example. Now we have our flyer example.
example one. Okay, so guys, in this way we can easily create a flyer using the predefined templates on Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can create a poster with Canva. Okay, so we will use a predefined template and create our own poster. Let's see how. So this was our Canva. Okay, we will create our poster inside our folder we created before. We created this folder before, but let us go to home again. I'll just type here poster and let's see what will happen. Search for poster and different templates will be visible. You can create a blank poster from here, or you can take these posters directly. These are the free ones. Okay. I'll click here. Okay, now you can customize this template. This is free. You can also use any of them. So I'll just change it completely, customize this template. Okay, I'll just zoom it. I'll just mention, let's say, free courses. Now I am changing the text. I'll just zoom it. I change it to never stop learning. I'll take it to the center. Okay, mention our, okay, let's say courses. Okay, so I'll just drag it here and like this. Now let me change it to, let's say, Python, Java, SQL, MongoDB. Okay, booking now. Okay, enroll now I can mention. You can add your phone number here and you can also mention your website. Okay, I'll mention example.com. Okay, now the images. I'll just click here and press the delete frame. Okay, now again I'll click here and click delete frame. Now I'll just click here and click delete frame again. Now I'll be placing the images here. Go to uploads, upload file. First the Python logo, open. It will upload. Till then I'll upload others. SQL, it will upload. Then the next, let's say, I'll upload this. Okay, now I'll first click here and just drag it here. Okay, then for the MySQL server, let's say I'll just drag it here. Just for the sake of showing, and the last one here just for an example. So you can also drag it here like this. Okay, so in this way you can easily create your posters, and I can also change the complete format. I'll click here, I can change the background color. Okay, I can set it like this, or I'll just control Z and back. I'll just now keep it here. Let us change the complete format. Click here, go to design styles, and here it is. I'll completely change the theme. Click here. Okay, or here, let's say, okay, this looks fine to me. I can also change it like this, or I can do the changes later. I'll click here, click crop, and let's say I just want to crop it like, okay, this looks fine. I'll just drag it and this looks fine now. It will work for me just for an example. So in this way guys, I created a poster here. Okay, we can also increase this size 18, let's say, or let's say 20. Press enter. It looks fine now. Okay, so guys, in this way we can easily create a poster. You can also download it now. I'll just change the name, okay, courses poster.
Okay, that's it. Share. I'll just download. It's the first file only. Click download and PNG. It's fine. PNG, click download. Now it will download. Okay, I can also do the changes here. O should be caps. Okay, this looks fine. Click download and download. Now it will download. Here it is. Okay, I'll click here and this is the poster. You can see, you can easily edit it. I have just shown it to you. You can add your company name also. So in this way guys, we can add a poster. Now I just need to add it to our folder. For that, go to home here and go to projects. Now if you remember, our folder was Amit examples. So what I'll do, I'll just select this and I'll click the move to folder Amit examples. Move to folder. Everything will be at the same place, Amit examples, and we first created a flyer, then we created a poster. So guys, we saw how we can easily create a poster with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can easily create a YouTube thumbnail with Canva. So let's see. Okay, so this was our Canva homepage. We went to the projects and this was our folder, Amit examples. Okay, so these were our designs we added under the Amit example sample. Now what we want, we just want to create a YouTube thumbnail using the predefined template. Okay, so you can directly go here, uncheck this, all your content we don't want from our content. So just type YouTube thumbnails and click here, search for YouTube thumbnail. Here and you can create a blank thumbnail, or you can do the easier work by just selecting the template. Okay. Okay, I can select this one also. Let's say I'll click here and you can use this, the free one, or you can use any of the below. Okay, let's say I'll click here, customize this template. Okay, now guys, what we will do, I'll just click here and remove it. Now I'll just click here and remove. Go to uploads and herein I'll add my own image by clicking. That's it. Okay. Also, I'll just write how to learn Python in 5 hours. Okay, same format, but the font you can select this and select, let's say 70, press enter and it looks fine now. You can take this below and you can add a lot of other things. Let's say I'll be going live on this YouTube video. So here, go to elements and select live, press enter. Let's say what will be visible herein. You can see great graphics are visible. Click see all and go for the free one. I'll go for the image only. This looks fine live. I'll just keep it here, or I'll just place here live. Okay, this again looks fine. We can also add the logo. So uploads, I was already having the Python logo, or I can click here to upload it again. Okay, that's it. Cancel. I am not doing it again. I am already having it. So I'll click here for the Python logo and it is here. We can add this here or anywhere else. This looks fine, I guess. Okay. Now guys, you can see it is not aligning. The background is not aligning. Okay, for a YouTube thumbnail. I'll click here and click color so that I can change the background. Let's say I'll go for the gradient ones. Does it look fine? It looks amazing to me. Or this or the following black. I guess this looks fine. Great. So I've selected this. Okay. That's it. You are ready with your thumbnail. You can see the line height is not aligning. That means each line should have a space. So I'll click here. I'll click spacing and here I'll just drag it. Okay, this looks fine to me now. And here, okay, sorry,
and just drag it below, and this looks amazing now. With this you can also set the letter spacing and line spacing. Okay, also with this you can set the uppercase or lowercase by clicking here. I think uppercase looks fine to me, so I'll keep it as it is. So in this way guys, we created our thumbnail in less than 5 minutes. You can add a name now, Python thumbnail. Okay, and you can download it, share, download, and in PNG. Okay, only one file. Click download. Here it is. Click here, and this is the thumbnail. The size is also fine, 1280 by 720. This is the thumbnail size. So guys, in this way we can add a thumbnail. Now go to home page. Click here, home. Okay, now you can directly go to projects, and here are your projects. We just created the following. Okay, I'll just click here. It will update later. Currently it is showing the older one, but it has been updated. Click here and click move, then Amit examples, and move to folder. Now your folders are visible below. Here it is, Amit examples. You will click here. These are your files. I'll click here. I just created this, but the older one is visible. It will update later on. I'll click and the current one would be visible. Here it is. So guys, we saw how we can easily create a YouTube thumbnail with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can create a Facebook cover photo with Canva. So guys, we will use a predefined template. Let's see. So this was our Canva. I'll go to home. Okay, and these were our designs. Okay, let us directly type Facebook cover photo to get a predefined template. Okay, press enter, or you can click here, search for Facebook cover photo. Here are the templates. You can create a blank one, or you can directly take one from here. Okay, so I'll go below, and this looks amazing to me, but it is the pro version. I am not going for the paid things. Okay, so click here. You can customize this template, or you can use any of the below ones. Okay, if you're using for a company, or let's say you are a YouTuber, let's say you want it just for your own self. Okay, so I'll just go for the following. Customize this template. Here is our thumbnail. I'll first directly click delete here. Okay, delete frame, and I'll upload my image here. Click upload, and I'll just click. So I just dragged in and mentioned it here. Okay, you can remove this. Okay, Cyber Monday, or you can say Black Friday sale. Okay, now wishing you a successful year ahead with savings galore. Okay, shop now. You can change the phone number, mention your website. Okay, I'll just mention here West Delhi, India. Zoom it. Okay, now 50% off on our courses. I'll just mention, let's say, enroll now. But the size is not coming. We can drag it like this. This looks fine. I'll just remove it. I'm not mentioning the company name. You can add your company name here easily. Okay, let's say example. I'll just mention example here. That's it. You can add more logos also. I was having this Python logo. I'll just click here. I'm into programming mostly, so I'll just click here. Let's say I'll add this Python logo here. Then I'll add this logo also easily. Okay, just for the sake of showing, I'm adding them. You can add anything here. Let's say I'll just go to elements now and type sale, and you can take the element also. Okay, I'll just click see all. Okay, this looks fine. 50% sale logo, and it is announcing. You can consider. Okay, now this looks fine. You can also change the template later. I'll click here. Let's say I'll change the background. It has taken the colors from each and every image. Let's say I'll click here, or I'll click here, this, and okay, I guess the original one looks better. Okay, I'll just Control Z to undo. Okay, now you can change the complete template also. Click here, design styles. Now let us see different templates, combinations. So combinations changes the entire image, including this background, everything else. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, you can drag it here. You can add other things if you want. You can also click here and change the shape by clicking edit. Let's say I want the following: enroll now, a circle. I'll just change it here. Okay, now we will download it. I'll change it. Let's say this was a Facebook cover photo. Okay, courses sale Facebook cover photo. That's it. That's it. Click share, download, and I'll just click download here, and it will download. Here it is. Click here. Now we have our Facebook cover photo. You can check the size also. In this way you can easily create a Facebook cover photo. Go to home page. Now here was our image. Click move to our folder Amit examples. Move to folder, and now we have our folder here. Okay, go to projects and your folder will be visible. Amit examples folder, and here are your files. It will update later, but I'll click here and you can see the same image of Amit selling his programming courses, which I actually sell. So guys, we saw how we can create a Facebook cover photo using predefined templates. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson, we will see how we can easily create a logo with Canva using predefined templates. Let's see. So this is our Canva. We just created a Facebook cover photo. Go to the home page by clicking here. Home. Now directly type logo. Under search on Canva, search for logo. Okay, you can create a blank logo from here, but I'll be using a template. So let's say I'm creating for an educational website. I'll just name it example. Okay. I'll click here. Now you can customize this template. This is free, or you can use any of them. Okay. I'll click here. Customize. Now we will change it. Let's say I'll just mention first. Let's say example edtech. Okay. Now this logo. No, we want a logo for an edtech. So I'll just click and delete. Now I'll search elements, and let's say I'll search degree. Okay, so this looks good. See all. Graduation cap I want. Somehow this is good. This is amazing. I just added this here. I can also use others. I'll remove this and I'll just use this. Okay, and you can see the color. I'll just click here and change the color from here, or I can just click here and okay, I guess this looks fine.
Okay, with that we can also add a book here if we want. Let's say I'll just search a book, and here it is. This looks fine. This also I can add it here. Let's say we are selling books. Okay, this looks fine, and you can also change the background color, but this looks amazing currently. I can change it to any one of them. Let's say this or this, or black. How about this only? Okay, this looks fine. Also this background we can change by clicking here. No, this looks fine. Okay, so now we can download it directly. I'll just add a tech logo. Okay, example EdTech, you can add your company name here and click share. I'll directly click download, and it will download in PNG by default, which is fine. Click download. Here it is, click, and now we have our logo, 500 by 500. Okay, so in this way guys we can create a logo. I'll go to home page now and add it to our folder. Go to projects. Here is your design. Click, move to folder. Our folder was Amit examples. Move to folder. Now here it is. Okay, this was our folder. We just moved Amit examples, and here it is. Click on it and you will get your exact logo. So guys, we saw how we can easily create a logo using a predefined template with Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can easily create a resume using Canva. So we will use a predefined resume template, and that too for free, and create a resume. So let us start. This was our Canva. Click here, go to home. Okay, now we will directly search resume, search for resume, and now different templates will be visible. You can also create your own template, but use what you already have. Let's say I'll click the following. Okay, you can use this template available for free, or you can use any of the below. I'll click here, customize this template. Now I'll do the changes. Okay, I'll change my name here first, and image here. Click here and click delete and add your own image. Delete the image here. Okay, now uploads, you can directly upload your image from here. Click. Okay, I clicked it already. Just drag and scale. Okay, I'll just change the heading. About me, a professional with over 10 years of experience in creating and publishing courses. Okay, fine. You can add any name here. I'll add my email ID, let's say Amit at the rate of studiopedia.com. I can mention directly Delhi, India. Okay, experience, let's say I'll only add the current experience. Okay, I'll just zoom it. Studiopedia, Delhi. Okay, Studiopedia, Delhi, India. current, okay, 2018. You can add any text here. Okay, create and publish courses in AI, programming, databases and web development. Okay, now 2022 current YouTuber at Amit thinks. Okay, I'll remove this, it's not required. Videos on technologies, okay, that's fine I guess. Okay, now we can change it later. I did some jobs, so I'll just leave it. You can edit it in a similar way. Okay, education, you can mention skill summary, okay, programming, okay, web dev. This looks fine. Okay, I'll change it to, let's say, consultant, because businessman is looking for a job won't look good. Okay, so consultant. Okay, this looks fine. You can add your number here. Language, I don't know German, I only know Hindi and English. I'll just remove it. Okay, this looks fine. I'll center it. Expertise, I can add programming. Okay, this looks fine. So we are ready with our resume. You can add more things here, but I am just showing a format. You can also change it later on. Okay, so I've added the basic things here, and you can just change the color if you want by clicking here. Okay, complete color, or this here, but I think the real one would look better. The white background looks great and professional. You can also add more skills here. You just need to copy it and paste it like this. If you want to remove anything, you can just click here and remove, like you normally remove any text. Okay, that's it. Professional resume. I'll just click download and download. You can download this in PDF. It is automatically suggesting, obviously, because resumes are mostly in PDFs only. PDF standard, click download. Now I'll open it in PDF only. Here it is, .pdf, and this is our basic resume template. We just created it. Okay, the image automatically got fixed in it. So guys, in this way we can easily create a resume also. I'll go to home page now, home. Then I'll go to my projects. Okay, and I'll add this to my folder again. Here it is, click, move Amit examples and move to folder. Now you can see our resume will also be inside our Amit examples folder, and here it is not updating, it will update later. I'll click and my resume will be visible. Here it is. So guys, we saw how we can easily create a resume with a predefined template provided by Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can easily change the Canva theme. Okay, so the default theme is light theme, but you can change it to other themes, let's say dark theme. We will see how. So guys, here is our Canva, canva.com. We already logged in. So go to your profile, click. When you'll go here, you can directly click settings here. Now after clicking settings, you can go below. After reaching below, you can see the light theme is visible. You can also sync with the system, but I'll directly go to dark, and here it is, the dark theme. You can try going to Canva in a new tab, canva.com, and press enter. Now welcome to the dark theme of Canva. Okay, in this way you can set the dark theme. If you want to change, you can again go and click light here and it will change completely. Now refresh and welcome to your light theme. Okay, in this way guys, you can easily change your theme on Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see how we can change the language of Canva. The default language is English. We can easily change it. Let's see how. So this is the canva.com. Everything is in English. We can change it easily. For that, log in first like we did. Go to your profile here and click settings. Now when you will reach your account, you can directly see the language here. Go below. Here in language, English is visible for us. So let's say I want to change it to, I can change it to my mother tongue. Okay, by clicking here Hindi language. When I'll click, you can see everything will change in Hindi. Here it is. You can now go to a new tab and type canva.com and everything will be in. Okay, you can easily use Hindi language. Now let's say I'll change it to, oh, sorry. Okay. Now let's say I'll change it to France. So the French language will be visible here. Completely changed. You can go here, refresh, and now you can see it's visible in French. Google Translate is also giving an option and everything is visible in your French. Okay, all the tabs also. Now I'll change it again. I'll type English again and I'll be back with my English. Let's say English India now. Okay, now I'll just refresh and now you can see our English is visible now. Now you can see the default is visible now in English, everything. So in this way guys, we can easily change our language from here on Canva. Thank you for watching the video. In this lesson we will see what is the Dream Lab in Canva. Okay, it is basically a cutting edge feature within Canva. Okay, it basically includes your AI powered tools to enable users to create and generate stunning visual content like images. You can generate text to image, you can perform image editing, you can generate AI generated images, you can enhance your images. Okay, so let's see how we can get it and how to use it. Currently you can see this was my old account, so I got the Dream Lab, and the following is my new account which I just created for this tutorial. Okay, so it's not visible here, but for older accounts they have provided it. Let's say you are using Canva for some years, maybe you will get it. I'm using this account since 5 to 6 years. Okay, so I got this Dream Lab. Go to canva.com, login, and you will get the Dream Lab. Click here. Now you can get your image, you can generate a prompt or you can use their prompt. So, okay, so this is the prompt here, you can use it. I'll just first show you this use, and this was the prompt. Click create, and after pressing create you will get the images, AI generated images. Here it is. Or you can also type yours. I'll just remove it. Create a social media banner to sell my Python course to students, engineers and professionals. The course is for 5 hours with 25 lessons and 100 plus coding examples. Click create. Let's see what will happen. I'm just assuming it will be something which is acceptable. Here it is, it created it. You can directly use it and edit it from here. You can download it from here and edit it from here. This looks fine. Okay, so you can see the AI is visible. These 18 are remaining. I just used 2 prompts. Okay, I should have mentioned course here. We used 2 prompts, so 18 are visible for free. When I'll click here, it will show that you need to upgrade. Okay, now you can use the smart. I'll click. Okay, you can change the image to your cinematic, 3D render, stock photo, sketch color. Okay, I'll click on the 3 dots now. You can see you can create a design directly. You can edit this image, delete this image, or you can also report it. Okay, I'll go below and these are the options available. These images are created with AI. Usage guidelines and terms apply. I am not sure about these images. Use it at your own risk. So okay, you can use it accordingly if you're quite sure about it. You can also change the aspect ratio by clicking here, which format you want. If you want for your shots, you can select this format. For a long form, you can select other formats. Okay, this is for shots 9:16. You can see the mobile size also. Okay, I'll click here also. You can delete this generation if you want. So in this way, guys, you can use the Dream Lab feature and generate any image. I have just shown you. I'll just click here. So you can directly use this in a design. You can directly download it. I'll click use in a design. Now let's see what will happen. It has created the same design. I can edit it easily. Add the image title. I can duplicate it. Okay, but this is a complete image. I can't edit it. You can use it with other images. Okay, you can crop it. You can also edit the image and add some filters here, effects. So guys, we saw what is Dream Lab. On the home page, if you are using Canva for long, you will get this Dream Lab feature. You can easily add some prompts here. I just added this prompt to get this. You can also set the aspect ratio while searching, or you can also click smart here to get what you want. It was smart initially. If you want a 3D render, you want an illustration or a portrait, you can select directly here before typing the prompt, and after that click create. I guess 20 of these prompts are available for free, so you can try on your own. Thank you for watching the video.
Guys, if you like the video, you can directly go to our channel and support us by subscribing and joining. Click on the join button. Herein you can support us, okay, by clicking join here. And you can also go to any of our video, okay, herein click on the 3 dots and click thanks. You can also directly support us here. Okay, thank you for watching.